How would you say debt is shaping the modern business landscape?
I would say that when you look at debt, and we talk about debt in our industry, you have to divide the different areas between consumer debt and commercial debt. With consumer debt, we're talking about debt which basically is credit card and loans from banks to private persons, and of course also commercial debt where we have typical credit between companies. So in the current market, you see that a lot of suppliers actually act like financing partners for their clients, and that means that they have to also need to get their money back in time and as agreed. For example, if a supplier gives you 30-day credit, he has to get the money back within 30 days because if not, he will be struggling on his side.
So you would say that debt recovery is now something that the CEO should take notice of and not just leave it to the CFO or account staff?
Yes, definitely. What we see is that today, not only the CFO and CEO, but also risk and procurement are involved in this area because it has become a significant part of the business model for most companies and industries.
How has the image of debt collection changed at the high end of the industry?
I would say the image or the perception of a marketplace over the last 10 or 12 years has changed considerably. If you look at most financial institutions, be it banks or building societies, now I would say 99% of those companies are looking to sell on their bad debts. And also in addition to that, if you look in the last 10 years, you've had numerous private equity houses join the marketplace in relation to funding to purchase these assets. So I would say it's changed considerably.
So what's the business case for outsourcing these activities?
I think the business case for outsourcing such activities is quite simple. A business should be able to realign their focus in the correct areas on the front-end processes. In addition to that, I believe that you can't be experts within everything, so it's very important for a business to make the decision quickly to outsource to an expert. And lastly, I would say on that, the fact that a business such as ours within this marketplace is always going to get better results than our clients.
Talk us through the significance of debt purchase portfolio acquisition. What is its importance?
If you look at debt purchase and debt selling compared to traditional debt collection, the difference is that in debt collection you can either outsource or you can do it in-house. If you do that, you need a staff either to do the collection or to monitor and manage the debt collection agencies. When you sell the debt, it's a clean cut. You got money immediately, and it's a balance sheet benefit because you can reduce your balance sheet and you can get money in immediately and reinvest in your business.
So what are some of the barriers to entry that the debt recovery industry faces in persuading companies to use its services?
I think that's a very important question, and I would say that the key component of that would be trust. The question is, can a company entrust its reputation to a debt recovery agency to deliver performance for it? Then the agency would be able to work with the company to deliver excellent performances which would be required to build a business.
Debt is going to loom large for a long time. What's the future for your industry and the place of Experto Credite within it?
I would say that the future is bright. The last statistics I looked at indicated that the consumer debt market had something in the region of £1.4 trillion worth of debt. We see the battlefield that will take place will be in the area of compliance, and Experto Credite has invested very heavily in compliance and will continue to do so, and will continue to build on that so that we can give our clients the confidence required to ensure very high delivery.
Paul Thompson, Staale Aasestrand, Stefan Russell, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.